So what train have we got here?
Ryan.
Ryan?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Ryan is going around the track. Up the top, over the... Oh, he's derailed! Ah! Help him! And then he's coming back around.
Stop.
He's going through the water.
Stop.
And then he stopped. Oh, he's joined with the other gang. Let's have a look.
Henry.
Oh.
It's Henry.
Oh,
It's Henry.
he's going back around. Let's have a look.
It's Henry.
This one is Henry. Oh, it's a bit fuzzy, the camera.
Granddad, you, me, put Emily and him. Didn't we?
Yeah.
Ah! Got Henry,
Yeah.
Toby, Thomas,
Yeah.
Thomas, Percy, Gator, Percy, Thomas, Rosie, Emily, Ryan.
Yeah.
And one more left is Hero.
One more left is Hero.
We got the other way.
Go around the other way, let him go round. Oh, he's derailing.
And he had nothing this way.
You're going to go the other way now.
Nothing this way. See, nothing this way. This bit. This bit. Stop. Is done.
All done. How many trains? 1, 2, 3,
So I
4.
got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30.
Wow, 30, that is a lot,
I
isn't
went
it?
to 30.
You went 1 to 30, there's only like a 10 there. Look at this, we've got some more over here. These are out of battery though. No battery, have they, Jude?
No Luke.
No Luke, no Caitlin, no Salty, no Gordon.
No,
James.
no, Gordon's at Marley's.
Oh, he's at your friend's, is he? Your cousin. So there you
He's
go.
Marley.